Hi, one of the exciting new features being delivered in SP12 for Lumira is the support for SQL-based universe connectivity to SAP NetWeaver Business Warehouse, BW. This leverages the UNX universe format, which is created via the Information Design Tool, henceforth referred to as IDT. Creating this kind of semantic layer requires some level of technical proficiency in universe design. By using multi-source enabled connections, as created under repository resources as opposed to local projects, engages the Data Federation Adaptive Processing Server on the BI platform. This exposes BW info providers or data targets such as cubes and multi-providers. But it has to be stressed, not BEX queries at this time. Once your connection is established, you can then work at modeling your semantic layer around the fact table and the associated dimensions. On top of your data foundation, you create the business layer or universe outline. When you publish the business layer, you obtain your universe. The fact that we're connecting to cubes rather than BEX queries means that artifacts such as BW hierarchies and BEX variables are not exposed to the universe. Consequently, due diligence has to be paid to ensure that effective filtering is done during the initial acquisition step in Lumira. Let's give it a try. I select universes. I log on to my BI4 system. I find the universe of interest, in this case the sales cube. I select my objects of interest. And here's the important step. Make sure to preview and select data before acquiring from the data source. For example, I'm going to filter on 2007. Here we go. I've acquired data from a BW-based universe using SQL. Just for an illustration, I'm going to create a line chart. I'm happy with my chart now. I'm going to save it. So there we have it. I can export my BW Cube dataset, publish it to other sources or applications. Congratulations, you've just created a Lumira visualization on top of an SAP BW Cube. As a final comment, if there's a requirement to execute long-running, large-volume queries, then particular attention has to be paid to the memory allocation of the BI platform's processing servers, particularly in the area of the adaptive processing servers for the dual semantic layer, DSL, the Webby processing server, and the Data Federation adaptive processing server. Thanks for listening. Enjoy the product.